This is Jamaica News Roundup. My name is Shantae. We have breaking news. Exactly 1 week after Jamaica lost an icon, Toots Hibbert, we have lost a political icon. Dr. DK Duncan, who died this morning after he was tested positive for COVID-19. Dr. Duncan was a former cabinet minister from the Michael Manley administration in the 1970s. He was a dentist by profession and was married to Michael Manley's former wife, Beverly Manley-Duncan. He was 80 years old. Jamaicans are still mourning the loss of reggae legend Toots Hibbert, who died last Friday at the University Hospital of the West Indies. He was 77 years old. In other news, a letter signed by the leader of the PNP Youth Organization, Krystal Tomlinson, gave Dr. Peter Phillips a 30-day ultimatum to give a resignation date for his position as president of the People's National Party. After the PNP lost the September 3rd election, Dr. Phillips said that he would resign, but did not give a date. Dr. Phillips is 70 years old and will be 75 years old if he were to contest the next election. It should be noted that Dr. Peter Phillips won his seat in Parliament, while Krystal Tomlinson lost her bid for a seat in Parliament. The Jamaican currency is now at $143 to $1 US, which is an improvement from $150 to $1 US. In news from the Caribbean, Barbados has decided to replace the Queen as their head of state and become a republic by the year 2021. Governor General Dame Sandra Mason gave the update at the opening of the new Parliament session in Bridgetown. Barbados has also announced its intention to recognize same-sex marriages. This has been a JNR News Roundup, and we thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you and have a blessed weekend.